Hey John, how's it going? This is Eddie from Boundless SEO. I was told you would be the correct person to watch this, so I really hope you're watching. And thank you for giving us the green light to send this custom video to you. I'm here to audit your site while comparing your site to one of your competitors around your area. This video will explain what you have going behind the scenes of your website and how you can bring in more clients all on your own. Also, you'll figure why your competitors are being found instead of you. I'm going to mainly be going over 3 things you can do today to help bring in more clients or more work. The 3 points, or categories I should say, are content, backlinks, and citations. Looks like this is your website here. When I go through your website, I see you have great photos. It's a beautiful layout, of course. The navigation is fairly simple. Everything else seems to be working just fine. You're able to click on the phone number, making it easier for the users here. However, unfortunately, John, you don't have enough content. Typically, you want to see at least 1,500 words of text content on your home page alone. Not only will this improve the relevance of the services that you offer, but also improves a level of trust in Google's eyes. Google loves content. There's no way around it. The more content you have, the more you appear as an expert in Google's eyes. In your 1,500 words of content, you want to start inserting good quality keywords. Keywords are words or phrases that searchers enter into search engines to discover available services. In this case, your services. Just remember that the more content, the better. If your competitor has 1,000 words, then you want 1,500 words. If your competitor has 2,000 words, bump up to 2,500 words. This way Google is willing to place you higher in the results. The backlinks and citations, pretty much for this, let's jump into Ahrefs here. This is a good tool to have. Ahrefs, if you don't mind paying for it, this is a great way to monitor what you have going behind the scenes of your website. The UR and DR rating is the power of the URL and domain, which is the UR here, and the DR 2.3. Oh, you got good boost here, 25. A way to increase the two ratings is through backlinks and citations. A backlink is pretty much a shout out or a clickable link from another website. It's basically a website linking to your website with that link. A citation is essentially your company's business name, address, and phone number listed throughout the web in different directories. And a directory would be something like Yelp, Angie's List, or Yellow Pages. I'm sure you're familiar. Ideally, ideally you would like to keep both the UR and DR in a 1-to-1 ratio. You currently have 878 backlinks, referring domains 56, organic keywords a little bit over 300, organic traffic 37. So in a monthly basis, you're getting 37 people jumping onto your website organically. That's compared to one of your competitors, Veteran Garage Door Services. Looks like this company here are being found instead of you. What they have going behind the scenes, though, it's over 38,000 backlinks, over 4,000 referring domains, 24,000 keywords, over 24,000. This is important here. I'll elaborate a little bit on this shortly. Organic traffic, over 17,000. The UR5, the DR32, this is not in a 1-to-1 ratio. It's just good to have. It'll preference your website when comparing it to others. So again, over 17,000 are jumping into the company's website. Last and most important, the keywords. So these are the keywords I was referring to, referring to before. I see you have, let's jump back to your website, a little bit over 300. They currently have over 24,000. This is not impossible. Don't let this quantity scare you. Looking at the keywords here, what they have on their end, this is a good keyword to have. You can grab these keywords and implement them to your website. Just tag them with backlinks, good quality backlinks, and citations. So this keyword alone has approximately 250 being searched on a monthly basis. This one here, excluding the state Texas, as you can see here, 100 on a monthly basis. So let's say 350 overall. In other words, 350 people are searching every month for these services. Imagine those 350 people are finding you instead. So this is great to have on your website. Just keep that in mind. If you are to follow these tips, you can increase your rankings and bring in more calls. Who doesn't want that, right? All right, John, this is what I have for you. If you enjoyed this video, let me know. I would love to know your thoughts. Or if you're not interested, let me know that too. No harm, no foul. This way, I won't keep sending you follow-up emails, those annoying follow-up emails. Feel free to email me any thoughts or questions. We can even take a phone call to further discuss if you like. Thank you for your time, John. Hope to hear from you soon. Bye-bye.